Hi ecobee Pro! Welcome to the walkthrough of how to install the ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced and Smart Thermostat Premium for homes that have an air-to-air or geothermal heat pump. Pro tip number 1. Thermostats require time to acclimate to the new environment. To help shorten this time frame, take the thermostat out of the box at the beginning of the installation. Pro tip number 2. Start by checking the old thermostat is working properly. Pro tip number 3. Ensure the heat pump system is functioning too. Make sure you can feel heat or cooling coming from the vents. Then turn off line voltage power to the furnace, air handler, and heat pump unit. Remove the old thermostat cover. Before disconnecting the wires, take a photo to keep as a reference. Pro tip number 4. The old thermostat may have 2 sets of wiring labels, one for conventional setup and one for heat pump. Make sure you're using the correct set of labels when matching to the ecobee Smart Thermostat. If you have a jumper between RH and RC, that jumper wire is no longer required. Just connect to the R terminal. For the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium 1 transformer configuration, R must go into RC. When configuring the thermostat during the Pro First Run setup, just select RC and check out our Pro First Run instructional video for more details. Take note that the ecobee uses the C and RC terminals for power. Now you can disconnect and label the wires appropriately. First, we'll go over the air handler install. Start connecting the thermostat wires to correspond with the terminals of the air handler. All thermostat wires should correspond with the air handler's terminals. For ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced, ensure the R wire is inserted into the R terminal of the air handler. For the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, the R wire goes into the RC terminal. For a 2-stage heat pump with 1-stage aux heat, here is how to connect the wires. The first stage Y1 compressor wire will go into the ecobee Y1 terminal. The second stage Y2 compressor wire will go into the ecobee Y2 terminal. The fan G wire will be inserted into the ecobee G terminal. The auxiliary heat W, W1 or W2 aux wire will insert into the ecobee W1 terminal. For the Smart Thermostat Enhanced, the reversing valve O/B wire inserts into the ecobee W2/OB terminal. Now, for the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, install the reversing valve O/B wire into the ecobee O/B terminal. Once all the wiring is correctly placed, give the wires a gentle tug to make sure they're all fully inserted and making good contact. Gently push the ecobee thermostat onto the backplate and turn the power back on to the HVAC system. You'll see it start up right away and ready to set up. Select I'm a Pro and configure the device as required. Don't forget to enter your unique ecobee Pro PIN. Contact Inside Sales at ecobee.com to get your ecobee Pro PIN today. It keeps you connected to your customers, sends you an alert when they need you, and includes your contact information directly on the thermostat. Pro tip number 5. As a pro, you are likely validating the temperature setting is correct against your own digital thermometer. But before you calibrate the temperature on the thermostat, we recommend you seal the wall penetration to prevent any unwanted drafts coming into the thermostat. Plumber's putty works well. Now your customer is all set. If you have any questions about installation, our support team is here to help. We hope you can feel confident installing ecobee into your customers' homes. Thanks for watching.